Hello everyone. For some reason today I feel that I need to share about like intuitive reading for crypto world. Like today I woke up like for some reason that they direct me to see the crypto situation, and I see like the king Bitcoin is kind of like going deep into like a 28,900 I think. Then for some reason I just try to do this reading, and I know like right now is just Mercury retrograde is the last day of the retrograde, so it should be the local bottom today, and what do you call that? Yeah, and then a full moon on the 24th. So 2 days after today, today's the 22nd for the last day of the retrograde. So it was the local bottom, and I see it was like it makes sense that it went down to like a 28,000, like under 29,000. But I think right now it's just going up, right? Let me see. Right now is 32,500. So I think it's gonna go sideways until like the next 2 days, until 26, 24, 23 and 24. It should be during the full moon. And full moon is gonna be like another maybe local bottom. I think it's not a good idea to do any trade. Is just stay bear or hodl. I see here this is hodl. There are like 3 cards that's saying that you need to hodl. So if you already like put your money, you need to hodl. This is 9 of Wands, like 4 of Pentacles, and then 7 of Wands. So it's showing that like from today until the next 2 weeks. So I think if you already do some, you know, buying in or something, and to just like continue to hold, because it's gonna have like maybe a little bit like extreme bounce a little bit from the death card. Maybe it's because of some, you know, some like giant whale bought in some of the currency, and it costs like, you know, dip and then bounce right back, and it makes all the individual crypto traders like you know, in the local bottom. And so I think like if you want to execute or like try to sell maybe like after 29. All right, by the end of the month I think should be good, because the temperance card in here, and then after temperance card there's a sun, and there's a celebration here, and then the one who continue to hold is gonna you know, like get this happiness actually, but maybe is not going back to the 60,000. I assume it's gonna go back to like 40,000 for the next 2 weeks. So whoever that continue hodl, I think should be a recover, not really gain a profit, because if you hodl, I assume that you bought and when it was like a higher price. So aside of the Bitcoin, I know like some of you like play like Ethereum. So Ethereum is maybe safer, because if I can see here, Ethereum is like safer because the okay, so maybe the fluctuation of the price is not as bad as a Bitcoin. And if you like, you know, like there are, I mean, I can see here like 3 divisions of the cryptos as a Bitcoin, and then big cap and a small cap. So maybe if you play like a Kucoin, like, you know, something like maybe Polygon, if you buy Polygon, it's gonna be good. Or I don't know if some of you like get Solana. I don't have I personally don't have any, because I just don't have time. Maybe I should buy that one because Solana looks good in here. And okay, based on let me see the astrology right now. I think, okay, Mars conjunct Pluto, so it should be like maybe should play safe, because until like before 29, right now until 29, or like at least like less than 2 weeks, it's gonna be really bad for like either big cap or like small cap. Let me see. Okay. Wow. Okay, all I can see here is like okay, there's gonna be like the best, or the wise decision right now is not to execute anything right now. So if you continue holding, you're gonna survive in the end, but in the meantime you also have to maybe like trick the way you're living or your lifestyle. Maybe like you're gonna be a ramen boy, you eat ramen just to like save some money, because definitely your money is gonna be like sucked out in here, and you're gonna be like basically trapped in there, because I think so many of you already trapped in this crypto world that going to hellhole right now means like you're not gonna take any profit. So in the meantime, I think in the next maybe 3 or 4 weeks you start to recover, but not gaining a profit yet. If you're like maybe like the dollar cost average, you're not gonna gain any profit yet, but it's like a short term day trader probably gonna recover. And I see in here if you have like a Dogecoin or Dogecoin, I think it's gonna go back to like, I'm afraid I can say like 5 cents. I don't know, I'm sorry. I have like a bunch of fucking like Dogecoin too, but I thank God that I had it like 0.00 thing. But I think it's gonna go back here because okay, the reason that why is just all of this dip, because I think the whale, so many like a whale that they feel like they're like, what do you call it, they're too late to get on the boat, so they try to manipulate all of these things, like create FUD, like scare and fear to people. So like a small trader or small individual gonna get like so scared, and then you just like leave the game, and then the well or like the big institution that led to the game, they just can buy in. I had it in the same situation like this, and when I think 2015 I kind of like joined like a Bitcoin. At that time I only have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also on a Litecoin only, no Ethereum, Bitcoin and Litecoin only. And then at that time I made money, and then after that I was just like this again, and then I decided to leave. But actually if I continue holding, I could be like a millionaire right now, but like I'm not like that kind of person. So yeah, so I think it's the same situation right now. Okay, I see in here I heard, okay, did I say Polygon? Yeah, I say Polygon, and it's gonna be good. And oh, okay, so if you play Kucoin in the pancake swap, so it's better for you to just stake it up, like you staking in what do you call that, I think I saw like a WAULT or wax, right? It's gonna be good if you don't play like in the pancake swap. I think you just like basically collecting money, you put in the pool, you stake it up, and then the coin that you stake is gonna grow. Even like the value is maybe like less than how much you put the initially, because the price is going down. But I think in the meantime, when the price going back, I think your coin is already like grow, so you can make money out of it. But it's not gonna be in the like next month maybe. I seen here in August. In August it's gonna be good, so it's bright. You continue all the August, you're gonna like a what do you call that, celebration and such. But right now you're like basically you're in the bottom, everyone in the bottom. So whoever that like using as a day trader, if they have no job and then they don't have this crypto war as on the side, they are in this situation right now, bottom up, like yeah, you're probably a ramen boy right now. Yeah, but if you have a job, I don't think you have any like problem. If you have a job, you just put it on the side, just like a dollar cost average. I think it's a good time right now to buy until the next I can say like before 29. Before 29 you can just buy in and just like, you know, just like a dollar cost average, just buy in and let it grow for the future, I mean long term. But if it's not, let me see what's the bottom of the deck. Yeah, I see here King of Cups, King of Swords. Okay, and the next 2 months, probably it's gonna show some improvement, but I didn't see any I don't see yet the going to like 60K. So whatever that, like, you know, the news saying like Bitcoin is gonna go to like a 100K. Maybe it's not anytime soon, maybe like next year. I see it next year, or you know, by October this year it's gonna start like, you know, recover, like yeah. So I think that's it. Let me just try to get one more message, because I think it's the astrology is always good to buy into, you know, during the retrograde. No matter like you play gold, you buy like a solid gold, or like play crypto or play stock market, is always good for retrograde. Mercury retrograde, I mean. If you like expect to get money from let's say like a yield interest, I think it's okay too, because, you know, like dollar cost average and then yield interest, just stay stay strong, I guess. And it doesn't come out or anything. Let me see what is for today. Okay. Okay, so I think it's for today is a little bit too late to buy in. Maybe try to wait like a maybe on the 23rd or 25. 23rd or 25 it's gonna go deep again, I think, and it's a good time to buy. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So I hope that this thing helps. Do not trust this, because this is just for entertainment only. You should just do your research, you know, like accordingly. And yeah, this is the one that I just have today. Okay, bye.